Hello and welcome to another February 2014 update. This time it's another Blu-ray Steelbook, and this is Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. I've never actually seen this film. I saw the second one in the cinema. Wasn't going to watch that, but I went with someone, so I ended up watching it. Quite enjoyed it, so I thought, as the first one was coming out as Steelbook, and I tend to buy Steelbooks anyway, I picked it up. This isn't 3D, don't think this was actually 3D in the first place. It's got a usual 20th Century Fox little card, like the aliens one I showed in the video. And this is 113 minutes, and it's 5.1 DTS HD sound. So you've got the front of the Steelbook there. It's a normal matte Steelbook, as we seem to be getting now quite regularly. Back artwork there. Looks quite nice actually. And again, with the 20th Century Fox ones, they do tend to put the credits on the back rather than put them on the card. Although you do get the continuation of the image on the front there. And show you inside. So again, like the aliens one, artwork's a little bit dark, but it still looks quite nice. There's the disc itself. Say, as the backing card here doesn't have much information on there. Don't know what extra features are on there. I assume there'll be a few, but they didn't really tell you much. So there's the card. We'll get on to watching this soon. Then I'll probably re-watch the second one again properly in 3D. So I prefer to watching things in 3D at home rather than cinema. There, that's Percy Jackson, and that's available everywhere. So as usual, please rate, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.